Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate pretty links for clean affiliate URLs on WordPress. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate pretty links for clean affiliate URLs on WordPress, begin by logging into your From the dashboard, navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Pretty Links and press Enter. Locate the Pretty Links plugin in the search results. Click the Install Now button next to the Pretty Links plugin. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once activated, you'll see a new menu option called Pretty Links in the sidebar. Click on Pretty Links to access the plugin settings. To create a new link, click on the Add New button. In the URL field, enter the affiliate link you want to shorten. In the slug field, choose a memorable and relevant keyword for your link. You can also add a title for the link in the title field for easy identification. Under Redirection Type, select the type of redirect you want to use. Common options are 301 permanent and 302 temporary. Configure additional options. Once you've entered all the details, click the Create button. Your new pretty link will now be displayed on the links list. You can copy the short link and use it in your content or share it directly. To track clicks and see performance data, return to the Pretty Links dashboard. Here, you'll find analytics on your links, including total clicks and unique clicks. That's how you activate and set up pretty links for clean affiliate URLs on WordPress. Enjoy using your new, tidy links to promote your products effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.